Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Venmo for reimbursement tracking and splits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Venmo for reimbursement tracking and splits, begin by downloading the Venmo app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the registration process. Tap on Sign Up to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. After entering your number, tap Next and wait for a verification code to be sent via SMS. Input the verification code in the app to confirm your phone number. Next, you will be asked to provide your email address. Enter your email and tap Next to continue. Now, create a secure password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password for added security. After setting your password, you will need to enter your first and last name. This will help your contacts recognize you within the app. Once you've filled in your name, tap Next. You can now set up a profile picture if you'd like. This step is optional but helps personalize your profile. Next, link your bank account or credit card for easier transfers. Choose the option that suits your needs best. Follow the prompts to securely add your payment method. Once your payment method is linked, you are almost ready to start using Venmo. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Explore options for sending and requesting money. To track reimbursements, you can create a specific request for costs incurred. Simply enter the amount and what it's for in the request field. You can also split payments with friends by selecting the split option during transactions. This will help you manage shared costs easily. Now you are all set to use Venmo for reimbursement tracking and splits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.